For most homeowners, venturing into their crawl space is dirty at best and nightmarish at worst. But your home's crawl space is an integral part of your home. Stay tuned to find out how often your crawl space needs to be inspected. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Your home's crawl space can give you indications of how healthy your home is. In this video, I'll explain who should inspect your crawl space, how often it should be inspected, and what should you be looking for in your crawl space. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. You as a homeowner can simply inspect it yourself if you would like. Now, crawl spaces can be kind of nasty at times. So if you want to have a professional such as AccuLevel come out and do a free inspection of your crawl space, that is a great way to get an entire inspection of all the important pieces of your crawl space. This is not something that I would recommend just putting once a month on your calendar to go jump in your crawl space and take a look at. You really want the weather to dictate on when you want to look at that crawl space. You want to look at the most extreme times of the year to see how your crawl space is reacting to the outside conditions. Such as if it's rained a bunch in the last week, that is a great time to go take a look at your crawl space and see how it's handling water and moisture. If it's been very dry, you want to go check it out because typically that's when it's the hottest. How well is your crawl space staying conditioned, and how is it taking the extreme heat and dryness? You want to look for number one, any signs of moisture. This is including your foundation walls and water standing on the floor or on top of the plastic of your crawl space. Next, you want to look for any foundation cracks. So any cracks going up the wall, this can be an indication of that the crawl space's foundation starting to settle or anything like that. And finally, look over the subfloor. Are you starting to see any kind of biological growth or rot starting to occur on that subfloor? To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.